Hello. In 2014 to 16, there was an outbreak in West Africa called Ebola viral outbreak or Ebola viral disease, resulted in 28,000 infections and death of 11,000 people. Ebola is a rare but extremely dangerous disease, so it is called deadliest disease known to humankind. The fatality rate up to 90%. There are 6 Ebola viral species, among which 4 of them cause disease in human beings, and Zaire Ebola virus is one among them, shows highest rate of fatality. Let us discuss more about it. What is this Ebola virus? Ebola virus is a filament-shaped virus, belongs to a family Filoviridae. Name came from Ebola River, Zaire, Democratic Republic of Congo, where it was first discovered in 1976. The genetic material of this virus is RNA, which causes disease called Ebola viral disease or Ebola. Average death rate is 50% in these infections. So what is this Ebola, or simply Ebola viral disease or viral hemorrhagic fever? This is the viral hemorrhagic fever of a human or other primate caused by Ebola virus. Deadliest disease with symptoms starts from 2 days to a week. The virus is transmitted to people from wild animals and spreads in the human population through human-to-human transmissions. And 2014 to 15 outbreaks in West Africa, and the fatality rate vary from 25% to 90% in past outbreaks. How the disease is transmitted? The Ebola is introduced to human population by blood, meat, or secretion of wild animals like chimpanzees, monkey, and fruit bats in tropical rainforest. Human-to-human transmission by direct contact of blood from infected person or dead bodies. Object contaminated with virus from blood, vomit, or feces. Healthcare workers contact with infected patients. Breastfeeding babies from their mother. Now, what is the symptom? It's the deadliest disease, so symptoms will also vary. It starts from fever, fatigue, muscle pain, headache, sore throat, vomiting, diarrhea, rash. But at the complicated or the later stage, impaired kidney, liver functions, in some other cases, both internal, external bleeding, for example, oozing of blood from the gum or blood in the stools. It is mainly because of cytokine storms. That means the body mount immune response against this virus. Because of a heavy shock given by the body, the blood vessel will break. The laboratory finding includes low WBC, platelet, and some elevated liver enzymes. Now, how to diagnose this disease? This deadly virus can be diagnosed based on specific antibody raised in infected persons, based on a technique called ELISA, or else genetic material targeted method called RT-PCR, or electron microscope can be used to observe viral shape and identify the virus, or isolation of virus by viral culture. How to treat this disease? As the mortality rate is very high, rehydration with fluid orally or intravenous is must. Immune therapies are done. Different drug trials are done on the patients. Antiviral drugs are injected. Vaccine was under trial, that is RVSV Zebo, but used in recent outbreaks in West Africa. Then prevention is better than cure. So prevention and control by World Health Organization. So reducing the risk of wild to human transmissions. Human can reduce its risk by not eating any wild animal which are not properly cooked or bushmeats. Reducing the risk of human to human transmission by containing the disease, maintaining the protocols. Outbreak containment measures including safe and dignified burial of the dead. Reducing the risk of possible sexual transmissions. Reducing the risk of transmission from pregnancy-related fluid and tissues by following proper hospital protocols. Thank you.